Hello everyone, my name is Guy Selga from touringplans.com, and today I'm coming to you from Walt Disney World. I'm staying in a Treehouse villa at the Saratoga Springs Resort. This is a huge Disney Vacation Club villa, and I'm gonna get into it right now and show you around, and let's get started because there's a lot to look at. Okay, right here at the entryway, I inserted a little video of the front patio with a seating area and the steps that head up. And right when you walk in, there is a closet with a safe, vacuum cleaner, iron, and ironing board. Lots of room for storage. Here's a dining area with 4 chairs and a bench. And then you also have some stools at the countertop here in the kitchen area. Speaking of the kitchen, it's got everything you need. Toaster, sink, coffee maker, with plenty of items to make your coffee and tea. We got a stove, got some glasses here, paper towels, microwave, fully stocked. Let's see what's up there. Oh, we got some measuring glasses and some containers even. Wow, you got everything here. And some dishware. Fridge, of course. And now we'll continue in the living room. We have a couple chairs, a couch right across from the TV. I will say it is a little worn down in some areas. Kind of all the edges on the table and the coffee table and pretty much everything are kind of worn down. And the fabric on the couches and the chairs is looking well worn, I would say. But it's nothing too bad. There's no smells or anything. So just worth pointing out. Some nice art on the wall, because we are in the wilderness here in the treehouse. I guess we'll look at the master bedroom first. It's very spacious, huge king-size bed. We got dresser over here. Plenty of charging. There's charging everywhere. Charging there, charging there. Outlets, USB everywhere. 2 more on the desk with chair as well. And of course the TV and what is this? More storage. Coat rack. Big window. I will get this tomorrow morning when the sunlight's coming in. Here's a look at the view from the master bedroom in the morning. Pretty nice, serene. And here's a view from the living room. And you can see the river that goes to Disney Springs, and the boat dock is right there. Wow. It's very nice. A little rainy. The master bathroom right here. Oh, and a closet right here. Wow. Anyway. Master bathroom. Looks nice, doesn't it? Plenty of counter space and storage underneath. We like that at Touring Plans. We got the mirror that lights up. Huge mirror right here. And a gigantic walk-in shower and bathtub. Ooh. And then we have the toilet room right here. Pretty nice. All right, let's make our way back. Take a look at the other rooms. I believe this officially sleeps 9 people according to Disney. And you know, how comfortably you can sleep 9 people, who knows? Okay, this room has a bunk bed, so that's fun. Kids love that. Dresser with TV, outlets, closet right here. With, what is that, a baby gate? Oh yeah, it's a bassinet. Okay, wow. And here we got some shelves and a little end table right there. Nice little room. Before we head into the other room, this closet has the washer and dryer and a mop and a broom and everything so you can clean up. And there is a laundry basket, so that's nice. This room has a queen bed, dresser, TV, and also big windows looking out. Some nice little art on the wall. Disney's 4 favorite words: imagine, dream, wishes. I love these and all that. Little closet right here, nothing else in it. Now we're taking a look at the second bathroom. Again, a lot of counter space, a lot of storage, big mirror. No walk-in shower this time, but it does have a bathtub with a shower. It looks nice. All right. I guess I'll come back here and share my final thoughts. The Treehouse Villas. Is it worth it? I got this on points for DVC pretty cheap. I think one night was 48 points. I don't know what that is in cash. I know it can get up there paying cash, but if you're a member, you can grab this for pretty cheap certain times a year. It fits 9 people, like I said, plenty of room for everyone to spread out. The minus, I would say, and I read this beforehand too, because this is my first time even staying at this resort, is the transportation can be a little slow, and there's hours that are inconsistent with the buses. It took me about 25 minutes of waiting at the station at the front of the resort to get a bus just to the Treehouse Villas. I believe you can walk. It's about half a mile. Not everybody's going to want to do that. Half a mile to the main center area with all the restaurants and things in Saratoga Springs. There's also a boat dock with limited hours that runs to Disney Springs, so there is that. But overall, I think this is a solid grand villa, if you want to call it that. Okay, it's the next morning now here at the Treehouse Villas. Just going to share some of my thoughts after actually sleeping here for a night. Room was very quiet. It's very secluded out here in this portion of Saratoga Springs. It is right by the river that goes to Disney Springs, but there's no boat traffic at all. And this villa I'm actually in right now is right next to the boat dock. It's right out this window I'm standing in front of right now. But even in the morning, being in one of the rooms with the door closed, I didn't hear any boat whistles or horns or anything, so that was nice. The beds are very comfortable. They're just as comfortable as any other Disney World hotel room, so no complaints there whatsoever. I did use the washer dryer. That was convenient. They include laundry detergent, so that was great. And there's a hamper. And overall, I had a great time. I would definitely recommend this, except for the transportation issue, but that's not a big deal. I actually did end up walking to the dining area and the pool area last night, and it took me about 10 minutes. It's about half a mile, so it's not too bad at all. Okay, back to the normal video. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're thinking about staying here, let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to get those answered. All right, thanks for watching.